and welcome back to our channel. My name is Rebecca.
And I'm Wanda.
And we are the Southern Belles. So today we have something really exciting for you. We're going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging, but we're also going to be doing a short review of some of our products from last month. So Mama, would you like to go first?
I would. I picked 2 of the 5 products that I really like, to the point where I may repurchase them, which just doesn't happen. I'll have to see how much they are first. But the first one, in fact, we both got this. The first one is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's No Problem Face Primer. This stuff is wonderful.
Yeah, it is.
And she has young skin, but I have older skin, and it's a primer. And I actually ran out of foundation one day, and this is all that I had to put on. And I used it, and it's not something I would do every day, but I was able to go out without scaring small children that day.
Oh my goodness.
And the consistency, when you put it on, it's very strange. I was telling Rebecca, I don't even know how to describe it, because it's almost like
it's dry.
It's dry.
It's like a powder almost. It feels like that once you put it on your face.
Yeah. And I wasn't sure if I was going to like it at first because of that, but it is really good.
It is.
So I loved that. The other thing that I really liked was from I can't read what this. I didn't bring my glasses.
It says Skin Regimen Night Detox Overnight Pro Vitality Mask.
Yeah, and I have used this overnight, and usually with a mask, you know, it feels moisturized when you finish with it. But this one I actually felt smoothed over my face or something.
Ooh,
even in the next
nice.
morning. So I really liked this as well. So those were the 2 products that really stood out to me this month.
Cool. So actually, one of my favorite products from last month was this as well. In fact, I liked it so much that I used it all already, and so I've already thrown it away because I used it all. But the other products that I wanted to share with you guys today are the Jolie Cosmetics lip gloss, and if I had been thinking ahead of time, I would have put it on today, but I've used this several times, and it's a really nice color, and it stays on your lips all day long, so I really like this. The other product is this Space Case Blush. If not me, it's my sign with the color, and as you can see in there, I've used this quite a few times as well. Once again, I'm not wearing it today because I wasn't thinking ahead of time, but this is a really good product too.
So we just wanted to share those with you, and we want to try to do that each month now. At the beginning, share the ones that we liked from the month before,
so you get an idea of what it's like once it's actually used, and yeah, and your not your closet, but your, what do you call it? Your makeup stash. Yeah, your makeup routine.
But we are here with January's Glam bag, and if this is as good as my Glam bag Plus, I'm going to be very excited.
Me too.
Okay. And
the bags are really pretty. They're very girly. I like that.
Marbly with the little pink zipper.
Cute.
And the Ipsy emblem.
My bag is very flat this month.
I actually have something outside of my bag this month.
I don't.
I'm going to take the card out. Clean slate, so it's the same theme as the Glam Bag Plus. And if you didn't watch our Glam Bag Plus, we're trying to figure out how to link it to the end of this video. So hopefully it will be there. If not, it'll be in the description.
Yes, if you know how, please let us know, because we really would like to be able to do that with our channel.
I think we're going to maybe look at YouTube and see if they can tell us how to. Okay, who do you want to start?
I'll start.
Okay.
Okay. So my first item, oh, this is bigger than I thought it would be, is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So this is the product that I picked for this month. I don't know if you can see that at all. But anyway, I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm out of cleanser right now, or I was out of cleanser. I got some, but I want to try this really bad. I'm going to smell it and see if it smells like blueberries.
Safety seal.
Can't smell it with that.
Always a bonus.
I better be careful because I don't want to shoot it up my nose by accident. It does smell kind of... Yeah, it does have a berry smell. Yay! So I'm really looking forward to trying this cleanser. It sounds like a really nice cleanser. It says it's makeup erasing and deep cleansing, which is always nice. It says gentle 3-in-1 makeup eraser, hydrator, and mask that hydrates without stripping. So it's going to be really gentle on the skin, but also get rid of all that residue from the day that's on your face.
And you have kind of sensitive skin, so that'll be good
Right.
for you.
And it is just in a bigger container than I expected, so I'm happy about that.
I get excited about cleansers.
Oh, me too.
I do.
Me too.
Okay, so I'm just going to start with the
Oh, that
what was
cool.
outside of my bag because it couldn't fit in, and it is this brush, and
It's a fan brush.
Yeah, I do not have a brush that's anywhere close to this.
What do you use it for?
I will have to research that and let you know. Well, it may say right here, if you wear a powder highlighter, then you need this brush, and I do wear powder highlighter. It's perfect for dusting shimmer on the high portions.
Okay.
With I have really full cheeks, so I don't even know if I have a high
Me too.
portion. Wow. And it's really pretty.
It is.
I don't know if you can see that
kind of
handle.
fun.
It's like pearlish. Like, yeah. You feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm excited about that, and because I'll again, I guess I'm easy to please, but I really like to get brushes too because I just think they're fun.
They are fun.
Okay, so that's my first one. We're off to a great start.
All right. So my next item. Oh, this one's teeny. It's in bubble wrap too, so that's fun. Yay.
Oh, it looks like it may be an eyeshadow.
I think it is.
They've got it wrapped very well.
Yeah, they do. All right, so this is Real Her eyeshadow in Incomparable. So it comes in this little cute container, and I'm gonna swatch it. It's a very neutral nude color,
which suits her blue eyes.
Yeah, I like that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the swatch because it blends into my skin pretty well.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. It's very smooth. It's got a very smooth consistency.
Our lighting's very bright.
Yeah,
today,
it's very bright. Sorry.
Which is interesting because it's a very dreary day here. Okay.
All right, cool.
I forgot to tell you what kind of brush this is. This is a Luxie Beauty 560 medium fan flawless brush. That is a mouthful, but it is Luxie brand. Okay. All right. So, it's a tube. It's a
oh wow, that's a huge container.
Yay! It's a Hava, which is wonderful in itself, but it is hand cream, and guess what? I have just run out of my hand cream.
Perfect.
So I am excited. I like to always have some in my purse because this time of year my hands sometimes they just get that real rough feeling to them, and it has a safety seal. I was going to try to get it off, but I may not can. So, yeah, there we go.
Oh, she got some on her. Does it have a scent?
It's pleasant. It's not overpowering.
Oh, it is nice.
It's just kind of that lotiony.
Like sea salt
smell. I think that's mineral, Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed. Okay.
Cool.
I like that, and I like the way it feels. So
all right.
I am very, very happy about this. Okay.
Yeah, that's going to come in handy. All right, my next item is Ciate, which is a good brand, Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Let me open it up for you guys.
That's a pretty package.
It is a pretty
rose
package.
gold.
But there's a little container. Oh, it's cute. The way that it's packaged is cute. It looks like it has a little bit of gold in it, actually.
I guess that's the illuminating part of it.
It's interesting.
I hope that's coming through.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see. I'm going to swatch it. Okay, so it's a very, very pale pink. And I can see that illuminating quality to it. There. Maybe you can see it a little bit.
Very, very pale.
Yeah, it's very pale, but it's pretty. And
it's pretty.
I like that. I don't know if I'd be able to wear it as my regular blush because it is so pale. But, you know, use it as an illuminator maybe around my cheekbone. Or once again, I have, or like, just like you, I have puffy cheeks. So I don't know that I have cheekbones exactly, but all right.
We're going to have to think of an elegant way to say
that's right.
Okay. All right. And the next thing that I pull out is Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It is a lipstick.
Ooh.
And it is in ruby, which scares me.
Excuse me. Pumpkin found another box on the floor. Pumpkin's the cat, if you've never seen that video before.
Here's what it looks like. I'm really nervous about this. Ooh.
That's great. But hey, you never know. You've had bright stuff before.
That's true. I have learned not to
you can see that in the camera.
You can see it.
You can see that.
Okay. So let's see.
Alright.
Ooh.
That's pretty bright.
And one thing that I do a lot is I mix lipstick. So if this one's really bright, I might just put it with something that's a little more
neutral.
Yeah, actually, and try it. So I don't know. I will try it, and I'll work around with different lipsticks until I get something that works
figure
for
it
me.
out. Figure out how.
Okay. All right. And I'm not upset with that at all because
no.
you never know.
That's right. It's all about trying new things. Alright, so actually the next thing that I pulled out is also a lip product. And mine's much more neutral than hers was. This is Beauty for Real. Beauty for Real. It's Nudist. My goodness. Nudist lip gloss. So there's that. I'll swatch it for you if I can get it open. It seems like everything I get is always very
that's it.
Packaged. Alright. Alright. Oh, you're not going to be able to see this either. Everything that I'm getting today is very, very light, like very natural colored. So I don't know if you can see that at all. It's almost just like a gloss with a very slight beige tint to it. But yeah, it's definitely that lip. It's definitely a gloss. Like the consistency of it is very, I don't know, like petroleum, gummy. Like gummy. But anyway, yeah, that's nice.
Okay. All right. Reach out. It's another box.
Ooh.
Ooh. I think this is what I chose. The Morphe. Let's see. Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in 1.55.
That's nice.
Would you believe that I have never ever used a concealer? So I was hoping that eventually I would get one because I'm just too cheap to go out and buy it not knowing if I like it or not.
Right.
I don't want to waste the money, but this way I get to try it and I get to see if it does anything. Now what is it supposed to conceal? Is it concealing wrinkles or is it concealing dark circles or does it tell me here?
I think pretty much anything. Well, they make different ones for different types of concealing.
Dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your skin concern. The concealer covers it with ease. Okay. I do have redness because sometimes I get rosacea, or I have rosacea, and sometimes it comes out.
This is like a full-size product, too. It's a nice size. If I had known it was that size, I might have gotten the same thing as my choice.
You've had concealer before, haven't you? It looks really, really light. Is it supposed to be a lot lighter?
It's supposed to be lighter than your foundation.
Okay.
So you can... It is very light.
Okay. If you can see it. Alright, so I'm going to be playing around with that to see how it works.
See how it goes. Alright, so my next item is, it's another...
You got a lot of little pod things.
This is Pure, or Pure.
That was for you, Pumpkin.
Pure, yes, for the cat. Pure Pressed Mineral Makeup. So it's actually like a powder makeup. And it's in light, and it is very light. You know, I'm not even going to bother to swatch this because you won't be able to see it. But yeah.
Is that what you chose?
No, I chose the face wash.
Oh, the blueberry? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I have one more item. It's this cute little pot that says 0. Vanilla Company Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm.
Ooh,
Okay, that's something new for me too.
that sounds interesting.
Oh, it's like I don't know. It's like a chapstick type, like a pot chapstick, you know.
Is it for your lips or is it
No,
for the face?
it's for
For
cleanse.
skin?
Oh, and I just now put it on this lipstick swatch. And I just use a very little, and you can see it kind of cleansing
Lifting
it
it
away.
off, yeah.
So, yay! I like the way that feels too.
Yeah. You could use that if you like accidentally get mascara under your eye or something, maybe to put it on there to wipe it away.
It says massage onto dry skin until it transforms into an oil. Then rinse it away and pat your skin dry.
Oh.
And I can feel that. I can feel it going into that
oil?
oily type thing.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Never heard of that before, but that's really cool.
Okay, so
Yay.
we got the, oh, I got it all over my bag. I hope that comes off.
It feels like it should.
I got the
It's
lipstick over all over it. But we got the cute bag. I have the face brush, the fan brush, the lipstick, the hand lotion, the concealer, and the cleansing balm.
Wow, that's
Yay!
good. And I got the blueberry cleanser, the eyeshadow, the blush, the pressed mineral makeup, and the lip gloss. So I got a very natural bag this time, and a lot of little teeny cute things.
And she got a lot of actual almost a full
face
face type thing.
Uh-huh.
I got a good mix.
You got a lot of like
Skincare,
full
makeup.
size stuff. She got a
Yeah.
lot of big stuff.
Yeah. So once again, I'm happy with
Me
it,
too.
and can't wait to try out the new products and all.
Should be fun.
It will.
Cool.
And we will leave an Ipsy link below.
Mhm.
And if you want to try Ipsy, just go to that link. You can sign up for it there. Our bags are $12 a month. Just recently went up to $12. And you get the 5 products, and sometimes you get a full-size product if you're lucky.
Yes, the cat wants to say hello.
So
Say hi.
she's been sleeping a lot today.
Yeah, it's kind of dreary outside, so she...
But check out some of our other videos. We also do unboxings like Stitch Fix. We've got some fashion unboxings, Natalie Attire, and we would love to have you join us in our little Southern Belle family.
That's right. Thanks for joining us today.
So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks, y'all.